Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to actually use SuperBullet, an AI made to make Roblox games. Now, I know a lot of you guys have been asking how to set everything up, how to connect it to Roblox, and how to prompt it properly. So that's exactly what we're going to go through today. SuperBullet is free to try, by the way, and you get free tokens to start. It's linked below along with some other useful stuff. And if you want to see more Roblox development guides and what you can build with AI, make sure to subscribe. Now, just so you know, this is not an installation tutorial. But wait, don't leave just yet. I promise I'm not going to send you on some side quests just to install this. We already have an installation guide with over 63,000 views that's helped a ton of people to get it set up, and I'll link that below. You can watch that first, come back, or honestly just stay here and see how everything works and install it afterwards. Enough of you guys want a brand new installation guide on this channel, leave a comment and we'll make one. But today we're focusing on the fun part, actually building something. First, I'm going to create a new project. Once we're in, we just need to connect it to our Roblox game. I'm going to open up Studio, click connect there, then connect through SuperBullet, and boom, we're in. Now, one of the first things you'll see is game templates. We've got combat, tower defense, and some other free and paid templates, but for right now we're just going to use combat. This one already has over 7,000 downloads, which is actually kind of crazy. Once you click use this template, SuperBullet walks you through everything you need to do. Depending on the template, you might need to upload a few things like animations, but don't get intimidated, just follow the instructions. We have guides for everything, by the way, and if you get stuck, join our Discord and ask us. We do giveaways for tokens and events there as well. Alright, now let's get this set up. And now look, we actually have a combat game. We've got combat, NPCs we can fight, and even quests already built in. So instead of staring at an empty base plate wondering what you're supposed to do, we already have a foundation to build on. If you want a deeper look at how developers use templates to build faster, there's a video linked below for that as well. But now let's actually start changing this game. Right now we've got combat, enemies, and quests, but our movement is pretty basic, so let's fix that. Prompting in SuperBullet is actually really simple. The biggest thing is just be clear about what you want. You don't need to write a whole essay, and you don't have to be like, actually, could you please mathematically engineer the perfect movement system? Bro, just tell it what you want and give it enough detail to understand what you're trying to make. So I'm gonna ask, add a movement system to my game with sprinting and sliding that works with my existing combat system, and send. Now you'll notice SuperBullet found an existing library for us. Basically, we have existing systems available directly through the AI. So if something already fits what you're trying to make, SuperBullet can find it and use it as a starting point. And by the way, if you want to see more systems like these, check out our TikTok. We're constantly showing different libraries and things you can add to your games. You can also generate stuff from scratch. Just keep in mind, the more work you're asking the AI, the more tokens it can take. By the way, we're using AJ mode right now, and that's what lets SuperBullet actually go in our game and build or change things for us. Okay, we've got sprinting, sliding, and all of our combat still works. So yeah, that was pretty easy, but let's keep going. I also want a dash, and that's actually separate from the movement system we just added. So do we need to rebuild everything? The answer is no. I'm literally just gonna ask, add a dash system to my game. Now let's test it. We've got sprinting, sliding, combat, and now we have a dash. So we started with a combat template, added movement, and then added a dash separately, and now it's all working together. But here's probably the most important thing to understand. You don't need to get everything perfect with one prompt. Maybe I want this dash to go faster. I'll literally just say, make my dash go further. Okay, yeah, and as you can see, that's definitely further. Maybe a little too far. So I'm just gonna tell it, make my distance a little shorter. And there we go, much better. That's really the workflow. Ask for something, test it, and if you don't like it, tell it. Then just keep building. One more thing though, I'm gonna add a health bar so it's easier to track our health while fighting. I'm just gonna ask, add a health bar for my character, and boom, now we can see our health dropping in real time. Now, before you guys send 700 prompts in 5 minutes, really quick, tokens. Everyone gets free tokens to start, so you can try SuperBullet for free. Obviously though, AI costs money to run, so if you end up using SuperBullet a lot, our Pro subscription can help you out and give you more tokens to build with. And Pro, by the way, is only $20 a month, which in this economy, that's basically one trip to McDonald's, and I'm not even joking about this anymore. But seriously, you don't need the Pro subscription to start. You get free tokens, so try it out and see what you can build. We're also planning to do token giveaways as we hit different milestones, especially over on Twitter, so follow us there if you want to catch those. But anyway, look what we actually ended up with. We started with a template and we just kept building on top of it with AI. Keep in mind, this is a simple example, but that's basically the workflow. Start with something, add what you need, test it, adjust it, and keep building. You can take this further depending on what type of game you're trying to make. If you guys want to see more showcases of what you can actually build with SuperBullet, leave a like. And if there's a specific game, system, or template you guys want us to try next, let us know in the comments. Hopefully this helped you guys understand how to use SuperBullet, and if you want to try it yourself, you get free tokens to start, and everything you need is linked below. And if you want to see more of what you can build with AI on Roblox, watch this video next. I'll see you guys in the next one.